Hello, and welcome to part 3 of this Infilink HTML reports video tutorial. In this video, we will see how the generated reports can be sent over email to concerned people. We will also see how we can greatly enhance effectiveness of reports using third-party charting or dashboard building libraries like Google Charts or Charts.js. There are many such libraries and tools available on internet to enhance your reports. You can also build your own HTML, JavaScript, CSS code to enhance visualization of your process data in reports. So let us get started. We are now seeing it in Infilink design mode. I am going to use same project which we used in part 2. To send reports over email, you need to provide username and password of the email account that you are going to use as sender's email account. You can use either Yahoo or Gmail account for this purpose. You also need to create one Boolean tag to control email sending at runtime. Infilink will send the report as email whenever the value of this tag is true. You can have different email control tags for different reports. For this demonstration, I am setting its default value as true as I will be sending email for every generated report with this report object. Now let us look at settings related to sending email for a report. You need to enable sending email for this report. If you keep this checkbox unchecked, the report will not be sent as email. But the report will be generated and stored into report output directory whenever it is triggered. You can either use Yahoo or Gmail account for sending email for a report. Provide email subject. Enter recipient's email address. You can send emails to either single or multiple email addresses. Enter name of the email control tag. We are done with these settings. Now let us save and run this Infilink project. Let me trigger the report. We now see that Infilink has generated a report and also generated an email for this report. The Infilink email sending utility is automatically started, and it shows that the report email have been sent. I have opened recipient's email account in the browser and I can see that Infilink has sent the report as email. Please note that report emails containing JavaScript code or other such advanced code are not properly shown in many email clients. You can view those reports which are stored onto disk. Now let us see how we can use Google and other charting libraries in our report. We are seeing here some sample charts. I have picked up these charts from Google Charts library. You can use these and other charts provided by Google in your Infilink HTML reports. Let us see one more charting library available online. It is Charts.js. This library also provides many charts similar to Google Charts. Sample code for using these charts is also provided by them. I am going to show you one Infilink project wherein I have used one of these charts for demonstration. But first let me show you how to find these libraries on internet. Use Chrome browser and search for Google Charts. You will find many types of charts. Click on any chart you wish to use. You will see many more details about it and sample HTML JavaScript code that you can use with Infilink HTML reporting feature. Check out other chart types also. Now let us check out another charting library. You will find many similar chart types and their sample code. You can even try out their sample code by using Try It feature. There are other similar charting libraries available online. You can search and use them. Moving ahead, I am going to show you one such sample chart from Google Charts collection and use it with Infilink project. I am going to use the same Infilink project which we used earlier. I am going to display values of 5 tags in a table and also Google Pie chart object representing values of those 5 tags. Let me trigger the report. Open the generated report file in browser. We see tag values in a tabular format and also shown as pie chart. While seeing this report in a browser, the computer needs to be connected to internet because of the Google library we are using. Its code is fetched from Google Charts site when we use the Google Chart object. Here is the HTML, JavaScript, CSS code used for this report page. I have used the sample code from Google Charts library and modified it to include tag values from Infilink, instead of hard-coded values. You can pause the video and check out this code. If you want to have this Infilink project and HTML JavaScript code used for this sample report, please request it by commenting in comments section along with your email address. Our support team can send it to you over email. Till now, we have seen the reports, wherein the tag values at the instant of report triggering are embedded into report. But many times, users will require that hourly data for a working shift or a day to be included in the report and plotted as chart. This is very typical requirement of many users. To achieve this, you will need to accumulate that hourly tag data into Infilink tag table itself. In the next section, we will check out one such sample Infilink project, wherein we will plot hourly tag data for an 8-hour shift and include it in a simple report. For this demonstration, I am simulating bearing temperature and its current value is being stored in tag, bearing temp. By moving a slider, I will be simulating the bearing temperature change. I want to monitor and record the bearing temperature for 8-hour shift from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. The bearing temperature will be captured at the change of hour, so bearing temperature at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. until 12 a.m. will be captured. I have created 8 tags for storing hourly bearing temperatures. I can write this kind of script and execute it as data change script for system tag hour. So whenever hour changes, bearing temperature is captured in subsequent tags. But this is not very elegant programming, and this will become more and more clumsy when more and more data points will be captured. So, instead of this kind of scripting, I will like to use virtual tag and achieve same result with very little scripting. You can pause the video and read the explanation of the code, so that you will also know how virtual tags in Infilink are used. Using virtual tags in this way allows you to create and use data array like effect in Infilink. So, by using this data change script, we will be able to capture bearing temperature at every hour change. We can then use HTML reporting and generate a report at the end of shift and plot bearing temperatures at every hour for the entire shift. But, as this is a demonstration video, I cannot wait for 8 hours. So, I am simulating hour change by a button click and generate 8 temperature value captures. I have set up other user interface to show stored hourly bearing temperatures. I have also created a report template and set up a report object. I will now just save and run the project and trigger the report. We now see that Infilink has generated a simple report. There are 8 tag values displayed in a table, and those tag values are also plotted as a line chart on the right. I have used a line chart object from chart.js library. I picked up their sample code and modified it to embed Infilink tag values. Let me show you that HTML JavaScript code. That is it, folks. I hope with this 3-part video series on Infilink HTML report feature, you will have no difficulty in using this feature. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments section with your email address. Our support team can help you. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.